Buenas, ¿no? Darle esta oportunidad de capturar un cuento. Sabe ustedes, mi pude quedar concejal, pati mi término, previous year SK chairman, del 1998 up to 2001. As activities del PONA, actually, kami sa SK, kami sa TODO programa din, ang coordinate kami na barangay council. Which is a council, pwede ka naman support. So, by the time of October to November, encourage kasi kami sa activities kasi para ligasin na November o December, na pwede kita sa mga aktividad. At 10 po yakin dahil na termino del 2025. Ngayon, kaya problema porque nuay activity. Siyempre, makahuya. Hindi lang sikap. Actualmente kami tamin. Kosa ka namun tabla. Kosa klase kamo barangay official which is why kamo pwede ase activities. Ngayon, tasinti katiyo. Ay, hindi man yung anak hindi ase activities kay since the KDSA, pati ang sina, kita sa kay Port de Santo Niño. Naara, yun yung explain si Kap, baka pwede kita si Apas. Oh. Ikura kami, amo sa kami 3 dia activities, a 4. Amo si, bando abriyo si kita letter. Kasi yung paga, pusya ka mo stage. Yan na kami 2 organizer del stage. Na todo yung pwede kami dali presta el stage. Kay Kenya una. Nabusketan otro initiative with the help of Archie Alco, abla pale, pwede pone kita activities. Kini pa niya lakanamon, kini daw mini ponda. Pero kini activities for 2 days. Pero el funded estegate.
Okay, number 3. Na-discuti kita or no?
Del November pa i-apply si Cornelia na dito session. September kami.
Okay, number 4.
Yan na kasi pangalan duel palabra, kung sa sikap yabla, liberasan ke, esa kapyo.
Number 5.
Yun, apply na sila todo kung sa liberasan. At tinitang liberasan yan, buwan niya kami.
Number 6.
Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Yan po sa tabla sikap, liberasan, Leos pa, yan meeting niya kami. So, may langgan sila po ni attention kay temprano era kay mansulisin niya. Todo pero, yasalikin na meeting kay temprano pa kami manano. Jenny Ponda. Thank you.
Okay, araw ha, kay tauhiyo, kulpa ni Kap, si Kap Dokere Ase, the anday could be a good old friend. I once in a while, the barangay say, antes, bus kayo advice, abla kumigo si Ma'am, at klara ka to sa publiko, kaya ka to sa malo, kay tauhiyo, kulpa daw ito yun. Siguro, now is the right time and the right place para klarifika kay hindi kulpa. LSK may prepara. Di ila si kulpa. May sila prepara. Na according well, yato kagawa na kay uno miscommunication. How do you miscommunication? Kasi sita, session, hindi kita kaintindihan, tapirma kita minutes, panle kita, tapirma kita. There was no miscommunication.
Kapsis mo.
Hindi kita pa-dematic eh. Kaya pregunta lang ko dito ko sa tuta.
Dari mo occasion.
Si Delarasan. Hindi kita pa. Sayang. This year, the meeting, kagawat, todo, uhi. Understand ko sa discussion. discuti. Si taabla to miscommunication, no hay to intending cosa ta discuss. Sayang. Waste of taxpayers man paying salary. Okay. No pwede sa miscommunication kasi na black and white Alexe ole na secretary apirma kita. Si hindi kita kaintindi, pregunta kita ng secretary. At sila el proseso. Por eso, si tiene session, uhi, intende. Si hindi intende, questionan. That is the parliamentary rule. Bakit si Sir sabi, we follow parliamentary rule. You don't understand the question. Regarding SK, no sabi kita ko sa nila problema, sila nagsasabi, basta klaro, yung naklaripika lang, may yugul pa kay nakalat, sikap mo kere ase. Uy, mas de 10 año yo, 3 term yo, ngayong manbis uno ponda. Ali, si taki pa si J. Gregorio, pwede hablar. Si taki si Jenny Santos, pwede hablar. Buenamente, jamon programa kami kasi. Kasi ta-solicit kami, grande kompanya, as early as October, ta-imbia si Carla. Sabi si Carla, doon si Carla. Kasak kita contestant as early as October, na-practice siya by the time December, perfect yung contestant. Going to the motion nila, we got Oran Honda, buenamente, hindi malata. Sabi niya sige, daya yung sa kasi Honda. Claro con ustedes, claro. Es la culpa de Honda. Sila se tiene problema en ese campo. Patuloy ka din may orejas, si Captain Pirri dyan ng kulpa. Sabi ka din kita sa tapasa, sila no quiere hacer culpa de Cap. Kanila, ustedes disculpa. Kaya si Archie, si Archie sabi, in fact, kaya pa kami asa apas ni Archie at asa kita February 14.
Good afternoon. I'm Edna Melat from Gogot, giving the chance to the number one, Mr. Rodel Alvarez. There was a discussion of miscommunication. Knowing that the SK, they are already present, why don't we also give respect to them to give their side? What happened? Diba? Okay? Because it's not only good for one kagawad who answered and you said there was a miscommunication. Knowing the presence of the SK officials, with respect to them, give them the chance to talk also.
Okay. I will allow them when I'm through.
Yes. I would like to thank you for your wonderful
I have
message. Thank you
clarified
very
earlier,
much.
this is not for debate. We are just for clarification. Later on, they will have the floor, they will talk to you. Why? What I'm clarifying, as a clarification, el claro, ay si Cap, my culpa.
Yes,
It's not my fault.
oh, that's good. You were so open with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you also for your concern. They're allowed to talk later on after I'm done. I still have the floor. That's why I'm asking you, o sa patene, o sa problema, apla, pwede ka solve.
Hindi mo yung question para na SK.
No, later. Yung kumigo. O sa
Ano yung para contigo, Cap? Na
Okay,
SK.
later.
Kaps and the visitors present now here and also the SKs. Maybe the word is miscommunication, Kap. In for myself, no? It's not that miscommunication can also mean as hindi tamin si Ablan may sila intende. Ya-intende sila. Kaya lang, siguro, may kat sila ikadi ila esfuerzo, anda contigo, conversa. I-aklara, cosa sila debe intende. I'm not in favor of Kagawad Rodel. I'm just telling it. He wasn't able just to elaborate what miscommunication as in his part. That program, I knew, I'm not a Kagawad. I was a former midwife here in your barangay. All I knew, once it is the Fonda in our barangay, it is the work of the SK. It's not of the barangay Kagawad, the barangay captain. So here comes the problem because I hear they are complaining porque daw may ponda. So I tell the people who are asking me, you ask the barangay, what is happening? Because the program is to be handled by the SKs because they have their own budget. Is it right, Kap?
Correct.
So, on my part, I'm not in Rodel.
From the barangay, and also I would like to acknowledge Kap. Sa kwan Kap, problema ba dahil? Kasama itong problema tabi kwan, napregunta ko.
Si Chene, po sa proyekto, i-implement.
El problema aquí Kap, también yo, como está observa yo, el botada del basura. Number one problem is
Okay, basura. Gusto, LP tayo. Basura. Ese basura,